The Abdul Hadi Mission is transforming poverty relief. Today, we reveal 3 powerful ways they are leveraging artificial intelligence to help those in need. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It is a tool being used right now to maximize social impact and reach the most vulnerable populations. The Abdul Hadi Mission is dedicated to providing sustainable support and empowering the poor towards self-sufficiency. Their goal is clear: to alleviate poverty with efficiency and deep care. AI allows the mission to move beyond traditional methods, enabling data-driven decisions that ensure every resource and effort delivers the highest possible benefit. The first major way AI is helping is by radically optimizing how resources are distributed across communities in need. Using predictive analytics, AI analyzes demographic data, current needs, and historical consumption patterns to identify where resources are most urgently required. This intelligence ensures that food, medical supplies, and other necessities reach the right people at the right time, minimizing waste and maximizing relief. The second powerful application is in personalized education and skill matching, addressing the root causes of poverty through opportunity. AI-driven learning platforms assess an individual's existing skills and aspirations, then create tailored learning paths for vocational and digital literacy training. Critically, AI algorithms connect those completing their training with actual, relevant employment opportunities, helping them secure a stable future. The third critical way AI is making a difference is through proactive health and wellness monitoring in underserved communities. AI tools analyze community health data for early detection of disease outbreaks or chronic health issues, enabling rapid and targeted intervention before emergencies arise. Furthermore, AI streamlines access to remote medical consultations, connecting people in isolated areas with healthcare professionals quickly and reliably. These 3 uses of AI highlight the Abdul Hadi Mission's commitment to using cutting-edge technology for meaningful social good. AI offers precision, scalability, and personalized care, marking a significant transformation in how we approach poverty relief and human development. You can be a part of this change. Visit the Abdul Hadi Mission website to learn how you can support their AI-driven initiatives and help uplift communities. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about the Abdul Hadi Mission's innovative use of AI to help the poor.